So finally, Nkla pumped from our support that we discussed before around the 79. Look at this. We have a huge pump from the $1. We discussed this in our live streaming. We discussed MULN, of course, and we discussed Nkla price jump as well. And we said there's a breakout from the $1 and the price overcome this resistance and we jumped almost 18%. You see here we said Nkla is about to break the $1 and we warned our hunter and our live streaming about this breakout and this support. And see with me, we did almost 18% and the price now going down. We have to discuss where the other resistance, where the other support, and are we gonna have a squeeze from this major reversal, because you see with me Nkla is being shorted since the 3rd of August, huge short, and we didn't have this huge pump since ages. Today we jumped almost 30%, so this is a good reaction after we visited the 79 support. So where the price will go? Now let me update you guys about the resistance that the short seller just added right now is around the $1.20. We have updated support at the moment that we should hold over the 92. Yes, let me just go in smaller picture. Yes, the 92 should be our current support and we should never go below it. So even if the price drop down, we need to hold over the 92, accumulate here, then break the $1.20. Now you should ask yourself question, why we should hold the 92 and why we gonna get rejected around the $1.20. Why? Because this is where the short seller added, and at the same time we have bag holders. What I mean by bag holders, a lot of traders in Nkla, when the price broke this level of support, they started to average down. So once we hit the $1.20, we had profit taking triggered for many bag holders or the people who have average price around the $1.20. So they waited a lot of days here, so they want to break even. So it's not even just short sellers closing their trades, but the traders closing their trades to take profit or breaking even. So if we held over the 92, it means there is a big whale buying. We don't care about the bag holders, we don't care about the little fish, we care about the whale, because the whale move the ocean. The whale make turbulence in the ocean, and you can surf those turbulence and you can move ahead. This is how you should look at trading, not catching the whale, but just surf behind the whale and just move with the whale and just then go fishing and eat smaller fish, because the whale, you can fish it by yourself, you can eat the whale, it's really hard to do. So the idea here to have an entry over the 92 once we have a reversal. And we're going to confirm if we have a whale, if the price held over the 92, break the $1.20, it means they charge up here, and we're going to have a breakout for Nkla over the $1.20 to go toward the $1.57. Let me just check how much we can do here. Another 30%. See with me. Today we jumped from here to there, 30%. Another 30% waiting to happen for Nkla. Maybe next week, if we don't have this reaction by tomorrow and accumulate over the 92, maybe we see this next week, as long as we hold the 92. Because if we don't hold the 92, it means flush down toward the 52 cents. Yes, and this is could be like a pull trap, and the price will continue to go down. So that's why we have to be strategic and know if that was a genuine reversal, because the price has been trading down since since 2 months, going up, then going down, going up, and doing new low. So we don't want to make a new low, but holding a new low and making a new high, breaking the $1.20 and go toward the $1.57. Of course, we do update for Nkla for tomorrow. If we broke the $1.20, urgent update. We're gonna do a short update analysis as we usually do. Last time we did for AVTX, where we hunted for this stock around the $1 or 19 cents, and we said the support is the 17.35. It was good hunt because we closed our trade for this stock back. Let me just check. This was yesterday, yes, and I think this one we did it. Let me just check. Yesterday as well, yes. AVTX we closed it today actually, after we opened the trading session for today, and we took profit almost 25% for this trade around. Let me just show you around this level before the reversal. So we spotted the hidden seller around the 30 cents, and we said there's a huge seller, so that's why we closed our position here. Price went down. So AVTX it was good, but it's still holding the support. We're gonna do update for it and mini stocks, because every time, as we said, we do short analysis update if we have a breakout. So if we have a breakout for Nkla, we're gonna do for you guys update for entry and profit taking, and where we should take where we should close our position before the short seller will come. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.